Hi, it's Joe again from Joe's Tech Bits, here to show you another little Windows tip. What I'd like to do today is show you some things you can do with pictures and videos. The first thing is, most people get a lot of pictures and videos from their phones and cameras and sent to them in emails and Google Photos and other places. You're always looking for a good video or a photo editor, and some people don't realize that Windows has a built-in free photo editor and video editor. So what I'd like to show you, I have a couple folders here. This is one with pictures. Now if I take this picture here and just double click on it, my pictures, the JPEGs, are set up to bring up the photo program. Now if you look here, not only does it show the picture, but it has a way to get into the editor. You can edit and create. So you click that and you have several different options here, but the top one is edit. So if we go into edit, as you see, it goes in. The first item is crop and rotate, and it's set up to crop. So we can, if we don't like the size of this picture or the layout, we can bring this down, maybe take some of the sky out and bring in more of the bridge. See, you notice it zoomed in kind of automatically. Let's see what happens if we do this. It even zooms in more. So you can see the Sunshine Skyway Bridge behind me, and you can see the water and things. Now the other thing you can do, a lot of times you'll get a phone picture that will be rotated in the wrong direction. Well, if that happens, you can just rotate it around until you get it in the right layout. You can also flip it side to side if maybe your phone takes it the opposite way, and you can also change the aspect ratio. You can do a 4:3. I think there's a 16:9 widescreen, which I like. And going back up to the top, we have some filters. The nice thing about this, if you go into filters, you can see where it says enhance your photo. You can do that with the magic wand, I believe, up there, but it gives you a choice of all different options for your filters. And if you go through each one, there's the original, there's sauna, there's Neo, which is awful greenish, I think. Here's one that's kind of almost black and white or gray. It's called Slate. Here's the one I think I like the best, Rouge. Well, if you compare that to the original, it adds a little reddish to the photo. Here's one here, Sunscreen. Now, Sunscreen is good color-wise to me, but it is dark. So if we go here to adjustments, and here's the light. Now we can change the light on this and just bring it up. Now, to me, that really looks good right there. You can change the colors. I like them right in the middle though, the way it was. And the clarity, here's one. Now look at that. That brought it in really clear. You can see everything in a lot of detail. And the vignette, you can bring that, the sides in any amount you want, or you can bring in a bright side from that way. I like just a little like that. Now here's another nice thing. you wouldn't expect in here is spot fix. You select that and see the one dark area right here. I can click on that and take that out. Have a couple things here. Now that looks a lot better. And then once you do all that, you can go down here to save a copy. And it's going to save a copy alongside the original. So if we go back here, now this one was saved from an earlier time I did it, but here's the one we did. And that came out okay, but I still like the original better, maybe. In any case, you can keep trying different settings on here till you get one that you absolutely like. Now also, I don't know if you saw it there, but here's a picture that's kind of like sideways. It's not really straight. You can go back to edit and you have a straightening tool here. So all you have to do is click on this and drag it one way or the other. If you want to tilt it more, you can do that, or you can just bring it around right to here and leave it straight, and again save a copy of that. So there we go again. We'll get out of here, and this was the copy here, the original. Oops. And here's the saved copy, and you see it's totally straight. Now if you go back into the photo program, photo app, you can see some other options. Here's one where if you need a certain size picture for a certain item like a website, or if you need to make something smaller to send in an email, you can go here to resize, and you have a way to resize, and you can actually do a custom resize right here. So that is one of the items you can do, and you can see you can draw, you can create a video with music, add 3D effects, add text, and edit with Paint 3D. There's a lot you can do just with the photo editor. Here you can zoom in if you want, zoom out. Now that won't save a copy of that unless you do it in the actual editor. So that's what you can do when you go into photo and go into edit. One of the things we saw in the photo editor was something called a slideshow. What you can do with that, if you have a folder full of pictures, let's suppose we go into here into photos, and we have a few pictures in here. If we select one of them and go up to the 3-dot menu, click that and go into slideshow, it will automatically start a slideshow and take you through all your pictures. And there's some settings on there as far as how long each one shows. I think it'll even give you a setting as far as if you want to loop the slideshow, keep looping. But it's a very easy way to turn your computer into a nice photo frame if you have some recent travel photos, family photos, Christmas photos, anything you'd like to show on there. So it really is easy to do, and all you have to do is start it from the slideshow option in photo. That will be it for the photo editor part. I originally had this into one long video, but I figured it would be kind of long to watch, so I'm splitting it into the photo part and the video part. So be sure to watch the next video, which will show the video editor in Windows 10. Thanks a lot and see you again.